people. How are you doing today? I'm doing so great. Welcome to Amazon KDP Mastery, where I teach people how to make money online by writing the books from the scratch and publishing them on Amazon KDP. So, on today's video, I would like us to go through understanding targeting in a on Amazon KDP campaign. Understanding targeting. What is targeting? Targeting is how you specify which shoppers you want to reach. Shoppers then see your ads in search results when browsing details pages and categories or on other relevant locations on Amazon, as well as on premium sites and apps of Amazon. See sponsored product of Amazon. Keywords and product targeting options vary depending on the advertising campaign type that you are using. It typically looks something like this: sponsored product only. Choose automatic or manual targeting. Choosing keyword or product targeting. Add keywords and product to target. Automatic vs or versus manual targeting. In sponsored product, there are two targeting methods to choose from: automatic and manual. If you pick automatic targeting, Amazon chooses product and keywords for you based on similar product and ads. With manual targeting, you choose specific keywords and product to be bid on. Both strategies offer tools to control how similar customer shopping behaviors and search patterns needs to be triggered and made. However, in manual targeting, you can set different bids for individual keywords or products. When to use automatic targeting, when to use manual targeting. This is your first sponsored product campaign. You want to create your campaign quickly. You want to add niche to potential customers looking for similar products, related products, or complementary ones. Keyword targeting. Keywords targeting allows you to choose keyword to drive additional product discovery and sales. Using this strategy, when you know the search terms that customers use to search for products similar to yours, it's also effective for showing your ads where customers are most likely to discover and buy a product. In sponsored product, in sponsored brands, Amazon and partners match your keyword to a customer search term and interest to display ads for products you advertise. Your keyword may also be used to automatically show your ads to other relevant locations across Amazon, as well as on premium sites and apps of Amazon. To drive additional product discovery and sales. In context, when no customer entered term is present, Amazon will infer and provide a search term with customer context that best matches your advertised product. For example, if you choose phone case as your keyword, your ad can appear for shoppers' queries like phone cover in search results, in product pages, and other relevant locations across Amazon. When coming to a product targeting, it allows you to choose specific product categories, brands, or other product features that are relevant to the product in your ad. You can target categories and product individuals to target a combination of categories and brands in the same campaign. Use these strategies when you are looking for broad reach rather than targeting specific keywords. You are launching a campaign in a foreign marketplace and you don't want to rely on translation to do keywords research. For example, if you advertise product in brand A, shoe for women, you can target the women's running shoes category for all search results and detail pages that are relevant. You may also target the brand B because it's a brand similar to brand A a target price points, star reviews, and variation on similar products. Targeting restriction. The keywords and product targets targeted in your campaign must be relevant to the product being promoted. Ads must not target keywords or product that could result in an offensive, insensitive, or undesirable shoppers experience. On that account, some product categories aren't permitted at advertising targets. Some examples of restricted targeting keywords and products include prescription drugs keyword or products such as Lipitor or prednisolone, offensive, profane, or vulgar keywords of products and keywords of products that don't advertise per our creative acceptance policy such as e-cigarettes or sexually explicit or adult products. Note, if someone your existing target aren't receiving impressions or clicks, it may be due to keyword and product targeting restrictions. In such cases, you may be able to add restricted keywords or products when creating your campaign, but ads aren't won't run against those targets. You understand? If you think this video is helping you, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new videos. Can we go to understanding keywords match types? We've got set up for keyword targeting and so on, but I would like us to go through this one now. Quickly understanding keywords match. Understanding keywords match. Match types allows you to fine-tune which shopping queries your ads are eligible to show against. For each keyword you add, you must also select a match type to fine-tune which search triggers your sales. In sponsored product automatic targeting campaign, you'll use targeting groups instead of match type for the same purpose. Note, once the campaign is created, you won't be able to change the match type you initially selected to offer your campaign. However, you can add keywords with different match types while your campaign is running. Manual targeting match types. In manual targeting campaigns, you have three options. They are all accounts for plurals, misspelling, and translations. If you set multiple match types with different bits for the same keyword, then the match type with the highest bit will be used for any matching shopping query. Broad match offers your broad exposure to customer shopping queries. In shopping query can contain the keyword terms in any order. It may include singular, plurals, or variations, synonyms, and related terms as determined by the meaning of the keyword and the context of the advertised product. The keyword itself may not be contained in the customer shopping query. Example, the keyword sneakers may match customer shopping queries such as canvas sneakers, baseball shoes, athletic shoes, class, trainee, or form runners. On phrase match, your ad is shown when your keyword phrases or sequence words as well as their close variations like misspelling, plural forms, acronyms, translations appear in shoppers queries. While phrase match is more restricted than broad match, it can also lead to more relevant traffic, helping you strike a balance between precise and rich. Example, a phrase match keyword contained road can trigger your ad for searches such as extra long curtain rods, or curtain rows for bedroom. Exact match. Your ad is shown when your keyword or sequence of words exactly match shoppers' queries as well as their clause variations like misspelling, plural forms, acronyms, translations. Exact match is the most restricted match type but can be more relevant to a shopper's query. For example, if your exact match keyword is outside lies, your ad can still appear when a customer search for outdoor lies. You understand? Tips: start with broad mesh to measure where your ad performs the best. To do so, review either the keyword matrix in the keyword tab or the campaign manager or the targeting report. Review which keyword and search terms are performing best. Once you complete your review, you can change your bids or create a more concise group of keywords to optimize your campaigns and reach your goals. On broad match modifier, sponsored product brands. In sponsored brands, you can add broad match modifiers to indicate words that must appear in the customer's shopping query for your ad. Add a broad match modifier by adding plus symbols before the keyword. For example, if you use the keyword plus kids, shoes with a broad match modifier, then the ad will match only the search or the searches that contain the word keys. The ad may match the keys, sneaker, or running shoes for keys, but they won't match any shopper query that doesn't contain the word keys, such as sneaker or running shoes. Automatic targeting groups sponsored under sponsored products. Automatic targeting is available only for sponsored products. After you create a sponsored product campaign with automatic targeting, you see the targeting options in the campaign manager and adjust them to meet your campaign objectives. For example, you can increase your bid for a single strategy or 10 on or off strategy altogether. Crossmatch will show your ad to customer who search terms closely related to your products. If your product is Dropper 400 count cotton sheets, will show your ad when shoppers use search terms like cotton sheets 400 count sheets, soft cotton sheets 400 TS bed sheets, and 100% cotton sheets 400 thresh count. On loose mesh will show your ad to customers who use such terms loosely related to your product. If your product is Dropper 400 count cotton sheet, will show your ad when shoppers use such terms like bed sheets, bath sheets, and bath towels. Substitutes will show your ad customers who view detailed pages and products similar to yours. If your product is Dropper 400 count cotton sheets, will show your ad on product details pages that include 300 count cotton sheets or for Queen 400 count sheets. Compliments will show your ad to customers who view the detailed pages of product that complement your product. If your product is Doppler 400 count sheets, will show your ad on product details pages that includes quilt and feather pillows. And we have negative keyword match. Negative phrase as on show don't show on shopping queries that contains the complete phrase or clause variation. These are maximum limits of 4 words per negative keyword and 80 characters. Negative exact as don't show on shopping queries that count the exact phrase or clause variation. This maximum limit of 10 words per negative keywords and 80 characters. Be aware you can't use the negative keywords on automatic, only on the phrase and exact match. So subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload new videos. Let's meet again next time.